Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This will not be too much about Corel Draw, as it will be for the APA, Awards and Personalization Association. But it's about the expo coming up in just a little over a month. This is January 22nd, 2026. It's at the Horseshoe in Las Vegas. It starts on the 24th. The 24th is all about education. It's a big day for education. Here's a list of educators. Justin is going to do Getting Started with AI. A good friend of mine, Randy Allen, is going to do Corel Draw versus Lightburn. Just on and on and on classes. Here's another AI meets Adobe Illustrator with a friend of mine, Michael. And this gentleman has a YouTube channel called Laser 911, and he just made a video yesterday about this same subject. And I am putting a link at the bottom of my video on his video because he is a professional videographer and editor. And Pamela Dietz, Get Your Ducks in a Row, Growing Success. I mean, this lady has knocked the ball out of the park as far as business and employees, and it just goes on and on. And one color engraving from Full Color with clay from Corel Trainer. And it just, another friend of mine, Mike, is going to show off some veneer stone. And I've got several videos on that if you want to search my videos for stone light designs. And this is just on Wednesday. And then we get to my class, which is at 4:30 to 6. It's going to be a very advanced Corel Draw seminar. I'm going to go over a lot of really neat tricks. I asked for the last class of the day so we could stay extra because I never have enough time. So we're going to probably take a 10-15 minute break at 6. And the people that want to come back, and I'm going to do a question and answer part. I'm going to show over some, other tricks. But that is just, and then here's the next day. It just goes on and on. So go to the video at the back, at the bottom of the bottom of my video, or this video, and do some research. Right now they're offering, let me see. See, right here is where you can go to get that link. Right now they're offering a discount. They've given me and Michael $50 off, and mine is, I don't care who you use. He has a promo code too. You get $50 off your membership fee. It's a great, I love it. I've been going 18 years in a row. This is like, I think, my 10th year to teach. So when you get to the registration, there's a coupon, type in that green 50, or Michael's got one too. Doesn't really matter. But watch his video. He is over the top on what he can do with his video and telling about the association. He travels all around and going to all the trade shows. And he's also got one really nice lasering channel. So you might want to stick around his channel and look at some other videos. But anyway, I'll post that video at the bottom of my video and just take a look. And I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching.